Okay guys, today we're going to install the oil catch can, UPR Products oil catch can on my 25 Ford Ranger 2.3 liter. It has direct injection as well as port injection. A lot of people might say you don't need this, but I don't think it's going to hurt anything. Let's give it a try anyway. First thing I want you to do is, it comes just like this. Here's where you mount it. It goes right on the battery post. They supply the washer and nut. Go ahead and snug that down. And they want you to leave it loose for the time being. The next thing they want you to do is remove the PCV valve hose. So there's a little clip on there. You push it, and then it pulls right off. Simple as that. That was actually my first time ever doing it. And then the same thing over here. Like that. You're going to take this hose right off. Okay? Then they want you to take the shorter hose in the kit. It comes with two hoses. One's shorter, one's longer. The shorter one, the straight side is going to go into the outlet, which is marked with a silver end, okay? You just plug that on, bam. And then that goes into the intake right there. Then the next hose, one end has a 45 degree, one end is straight. The 45 degree goes into the catch can. And the straight end goes into the PCV valve. Simple as that. Now, I believe I have it routed correctly. Okay, I'm going to give a tug on everything. I'm going to hold this where I want it. Snug it up. Wow, simple as that. Can't believe it. I'm going to go ahead and start the truck, make sure everything looks okay with it running.